Welcome, everyone. Based on countless hours of research and independent studies, we have formulated and selected the best products of this year, saving you time scrolling through hundreds of internet websites and numerous trips to stores looking for that right product. We have compiled a list of the top recommended products. With great attention to detail, we have analyzed every product's value for the money spent, features and functionality, and also customer and expert reviews when we selected the best products. Spending a few minutes to watch this video about the top recommended products of the year will allow you to formulate a more decisive decision. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Haier's Serenity Series Quiet window air conditioners are efficient, cool, and the quietest in their class. In fact, independent tests conducted by Intertech, the industry's leading testing lab, have verified that Haier's Serenity Series Quiet 6,000 and 8,000 BTU window air conditioners are on average more than 9.5 decibels quieter than comparable models from their 4 biggest competitors, and more than 20 decibels quieter than some. That's quiet. Very quiet. Haier's secret is an exclusive dual fan design that features an innovative cross-flow fan with U-shaped evaporator and sound-isolating compressor blanket. It puts the cool in your room and keeps the noise outdoors. Enjoy cool comfort and a peaceful quiet with Haier's Serenity Series Quiet window air conditioners. Haier. Inspired living.